Welcome, friends. Do you want to keep your folders confidential? Of course, yes. Today, in this tutorial, you're going to discover a simple and effective way to lock a folder in Windows 10 and 11, ensuring utmost privacy and security. Yes, friends, watch my video till the end. Guys, whether it's sensitive documents or personal files, this method works seamlessly on your laptop, PC, computer, or desktop. Even if you're using Windows 8 or Windows 10, the steps remain the same. Okay, guys, so let's get started. Firstly, let's begin by opening File Explorer on your device. Okay, now friends, simply navigate to the desired folder that you wish to secure. For instance, let's choose the Documents folder, and effortlessly create a new folder within it. Simply click on New, and then Folder, to create a personalized, confidential folder. Name it according to your preference. Let's keep things discreet. Press Enter to save the name. Double-click on the folder to open it and access your files instantly. Right-click within for quick options. Choose New. Select Text Document and give it a unique name. See how simply you are learning, so stay connected. We are not done yet. So friends, let's save the log file after giving it the name. Press the Enter key of your computer keyboard. This lock file has been created now. We need to take further steps to double-click on this log file for each to open. All right, as it opens, there is a code. You need to add code in the text document. Paste inside this file. Okay, I have given the code in the description below. Make sure you write the code as it is mentioned. Okay, otherwise, you may not be able to lock files. So, this is the code. So I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Take a look at this section of your password, erase this, and then type the password you want to use to lock the flow down. So let's go with Techhives 2023. Okay, I have now added the password in this text document. So you add your own password and just remember it, guys. So resaving the text document as a Windows batch file after that, click on the file, select Save As. And if you save it as a type, click Dashboards and select All Files and define them add.bat OK and in a small letter. Then click on Save Now, close this. Okay, we now have two files here, the log file that is the one of bash, that's bash bar, and the initial one we created. All right, so at this point, the first document is not required anymore, guys. So let's delete it, and we only have this batch bar, so click on this part lock file that is the batch. Now we have a private folder here, and this is where we are going to paste the file. We want add files to the private folder to lock. So now click on the private. Let me minimize this window, then let me get to the file I want to have inside this folder. For this as well, to the right, this is private, so let's assume this is the file I want to lock inside this folder. So I will drag and drop. All right, now we have a file here. I'll close this with how to maximize this. And now I'll go back OK, as we have a private unlock file. Anytime we want to exit this folder, we must lock it. So I can double-click on the lock file. On this page that shows up accepting folder lock in command prompt, it says, are you sure to lock this folder? As you all know, Y stands for yes and S stand for no, so friends, we will type Y after that. Press the Enter the key of your computer keyboard. See how easily we are achieving our target. And now we have locked this product, so let's close it, guys. Let's assume tomorrow you want to open the folder. Let's see, friend, what happens. So I'll click on Files Explorer to another file. Explorer opens, click on Documents, which is where I created the folder. Then they never get the folder as confidential. So double-click on the confidential. Then see the locked file, double-click on it. Now you say to enter a password to unlock your secure folder. I remember once we used that initial, was Techhives 2023 after that. I'll press the Enter key of my computer keyboard, and now this has opened, and so I'll double-click on Private. And here is the file we initially placed in the folder. So anytime you want to exit the folder, ensure you log in before you exit. Okay, and for you to do that, double-click the unlock file. He asked, are you sure you want to lock this folder? As usual, type Y and press the Enter key, and here this is locked again, guys. Yahoo! All your files are completely confidential now. I hope this guide will help you in locking your private files. Keep on watching my tech tips, guys. We are always here.